Warthunder wants me to kill some birdies today? Haha, okay! I'm going to use my BTR-152D. It will be done quickly and well. Look at them. Sure that they don't expect to die so quickly. First one! So easy! Oh no! I think he wants to avenge his friend! Wow! That was so close! I have a dangerous job, but I'm not done! Is it a friendly plane? Oh no! Where are you coming from? That should be enough for him! Why this jerk don't try to kill me first? Ah! I hate this sound! The sound of death made by a Junkers 87! Shit! I missed! But he missed his bomb too! What? Oh! The Junkers crashed! Maybe too depressed from being so bad! Come on, fucking plane! Don't be shy! Come closer to Sergeant Albert! I have many presents for you! Wait! Oh no! Another one is coming! He is so bad! Get out of here! Still not done! Ha 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 ha! Okay, do you want to play as a team? I have a friend too! Deathmatch! What? Oh no! It's the other one! 7 kills! Task is done! See you later, soldiers!